Alright, so I just wanted to show y'all a quick preset. This can be used for NBA Youngboy, Lil Rai, all that type of shit. Here I'm just going to play a little sample of what it sounds like first.
Probably what got my little brother killed. Just let me know. Bitch, give me a reason. Off of the drugs, I might just tweak. I'm fried as a fuck, I'm heated. Playing this bitch, somebody gon' die, I see it. Nigga, face, I leave him leave. Boy, you dumb as the fuck, what the fuck was you thinking? And I'm only a teen, they said I'm fit. If you look at my eyes, I swear you see demons. Boy, you a bitch, I'm waiting for reasons. Fight your ass in your head. That's your bitch, but you looking for the semen. If he come up in here, I'ma leave him red. I might prank out off the man. If she love, I love instead. Boy, I might try, but my love dead. He talk, he die like you was dead.
Alright, so now since y'all have gotten a little feel of what it's like and how it sounds, I'm going to actually show you the preset so that you guys can do the same exact thing and add it to your preset collection.